Just like any other living soul, your plant baby needs to be well nurtured. 3 of the most important things to know how to do are pruning, cleaning, and having a good understanding of light requirements for your plant. Let's start off with yellow and brown leaves. This one has one just here. Now this could have been caused by sunburn, frost damage, or maybe a disease or pathogen. To read more about diseases and pathogens, head to our website here. If your plant has a leaf like this, don't freak out. We can either pull it off or take a pair of our secateurs and chop it off as close to the stem as possible. Just make sure that you wash these before and after use between plants, because it could actually spread bacteria. Now, one thing that I was very guilty of is taking the dead leaves and leaving them at the base of the pot. I thought they would break down, but your plant isn't outside and it's not open to the same elements, so they just sit there, and instead they encourage pests, and if the plant is holding onto bacteria already, it will spread it back to the healthy plant. The next step is cleaning your plants. We recommend doing this because, like everything in the household, leaves catch dust. If the dust is thick enough, it will actually block the sun from being able to absorb into the leaf. So you're going to take a wet cloth with room temperature water and wipe down the front of the leaf. Don't forget to wipe down the back as well, because this is where the stomata live. This is the breathing pores that help the plant breathe. You can also use our neem oil. You can give that a little spray. This also helps prevent future pests and leaves your plant feeling shiny and new. Now, lighting is the big old question. Where do I put my plant in the house? Where is the best lighting? We recommend in a room with good indirect sunlight. We also don't recommend putting it against a window where there's really strong lighting, because this could potentially cause sunburn, like this leaf here, to the plant. Also, keeping it by that window in cooler months, it could cause frost damage. One last tip with lighting: you should rotate your plant once a week, because the leaves will naturally grow towards the sun, causing a strange bend in the stem, and by doing this, it'll promote a nice, even, balanced growth. We'll see you in part 2 of plant maintenance. We're always looking to expand our range, so let us know if there is any plant that you would love delivered to your door.